Two traffic officers have been arrested during a sting operation by the Hawks and the City of Joburg's Forensic Investigating Department. The suspects are alleged to have been selling fraudulent driver's licenses. Our reporter Nqobile Madlala is following the situation for us. She joins us now live. So, two traffic officers arrested, but I'm guessing it doesn't end there.
Well, Shahan, we are at the licensing department, and this is where these officials were found. We do understand that they are, of course, suspected of selling those licenses, as you explained, Shahan. But we do understand also that the people that are getting these licenses don't even have to test for it, so they just have to pay for it. But, of course, to gain more understanding in terms of this case, we are joined now by Lucky Sindane. Lucky, of course, your department working on this sting operation. Perhaps give us an understanding in terms of how did you come about to doing the sting operation?
Well, we worked together with the Hawks in conducting today's sting operation. We received an anonymous tip-off early in the week to say that there was a lady who's working here as a cleaner who is used as a runner, working together with an examiner. So she's the one who collects money, 4,500 rand for licenses. So they allegedly selling driver's licenses. They don't deal with learner's licenses. So you must have a learner's license before you can obtain a driver's license from them. And that's without even conducting the actual test. So you give them money for making a booking, which is 200 rand. They book for you. Within hours, our agent received a call from the runner to say you can come through tomorrow and get your temporary driver's license.
I mean, quite interestingly, you're saying that one of the ladies also a cleaner. Can you tell us a bit more about these two officials? Who are they and what are they doing? What's their job in this licensing department?
Okay, one lady is a cleaner. She is the one who collects the money and liaises with clients. The other gentleman is an examiner. So the lady, you pay money to her. She's the one who will call you and give you your booking date to say you can come on this certain date to pick up your driver's license. I mean, earlier on, she was posting to one of our undercover agents that she had a stack of driver's license cards, which she was waiting for owners to come and collect, and that already paid, that each paid 4,500, and it was a stack. That will form part of an investigation as well, because they were confiscated. Now the law enforcement agencies will look into it and see as to how many licenses were issued by this examiner, and if the people that were issued with these driver's licenses were really tested or not.
And of course, they are arrested today. What sort of charges are they facing?
They will be formally charged for fraud and corruption when they appear in the Poisons Magistrates Court.
Right, and we do understand that there is a young non-driver that was obviously offered this opportunity to pay 4,500 rand for a license. What happens to her license now?
You know, this is disturbing because this young lady who came, who posed as someone who wanted a driver's license, has never driven a car before. And she would have walked out of these premises with a driver's license, meaning that she could drive a car any day, but she has never even practiced on a car. So that's very dangerous. So these allegations that they are facing are serious. They are quite serious. But then because this was a test, so this driver's license which she got today will be revoked, of course, because we just wanted to use it as part of the sting operations. Same will go for those that were if we found that there are many that were illegally issued, they'll also be revoked.
All right. Thank you very much. Lucky Sindane there from the City of Johannesburg's Forensic Department. We do understand also that the two individuals that were arrested will be going to court, of course. We do understand this will be happening on Friday, and they'll be at the Magistrate Court in Boysen.
All right, we're going to leave it right there. Our reporter Nqobile Madlala.
Very interesting to hear about these licence rackets. And of course, tomorrow we expect to hear from the Transport Minister about the backlog in driving licences.